This is a quick, easy, and budget-friendly recipe. We're getting ready to make old-fashioned tuna noodle casserole, one of my childhood favorites. For our topping, we're putting in some panko breadcrumbs, shredded cheddar cheese, parsley, give that a quick stir, melted butter. We're going to dice our veggies. I am using carrots, celery, and onion. Make sure when you cut your celery, onion, and carrots up, you try to dice them roughly about the same size so they'll all cook uniformly. Tuna noodle casserole is a classic with celery, carrots, and onions, but feel free if you don't like celery, switch it out. Maybe try some green peppers or whatever veggies that you would like to have in yours. I am using some regular wide egg noodles, but you can use any noodle that you would like in this recipe. As your water starts to come to a boil, make sure you salt your water really well, and then just cook them according to the package directions, okay? So go ahead and put these in. While our noodles are cooking, we want to go ahead and saute our vegetables. I have some melted butter in the skillet. We're adding everything in at once, our onion, our celery, and our carrot. We just want to saute this for about 5 minutes, just until they become slightly tender. We still have to bake it, so we don't want our veggies to be too soft. Make sure you stir it so that they will be well combined and cook evenly. Spread them out in a single layer. They will cook better, and we'll just let these saute. Now we're going to combine the rest of our ingredients, starting off with putting our tuna in a bowl. Make sure your tuna is drained, even if you have the type that says do not drain. Add in our sauteed veggies, putting in a can of cream of mushroom soup, our milk, peas. I have a mixture of cheese. This is cheddar, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Going in with some of my Pam's Prep all-purpose seasoning. The full recipe will be at pamspreps.com. Combine this really well. Now we're going to add in our noodles. Stir those in. Ooh, this smells amazing. This is like an 8x8 baking dish. For my baking dish, I like to take a little melted butter and just rub it around with a paper towel, or you can brush it on. That just helps ensure that your casserole doesn't stick. And when I do that, I do my edges as well. Just go ahead and pour it in the bowl and make sure you fill in all of your corners. Put your topping on, and you want to make sure that your topping is all over the corners too. We don't want to bite into any and not have any topping. We're going to get ready to do our taste test. Hit subscribe, like the video, and are you going to make it? Let me know in the comments. Oh, it's still hot. Oh my goodness. Noodles, the cheese, the cream of mushroom, the seasoning, the onions, the celery. My God, my God. This is delicious. I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.